You asked, how to divide 3187 by 24 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 31. 31 divided by 24 equals 1. 1 times 24 equals 24. 31 minus 24 equals 7. Bring down 8, making 78. 78 divided by 24 equals 3. 3 times 24 equals 72. 78 minus 72 equals 6. Bring down 7, making 67. 67 divided by 24 equals 2. 2 times 24 equals 48. 67 minus 48 equals 19. The remainder is 19. The final result is 132 remainder 19.